After becoming paralyzed, it is really important to be able to catheterize by yourself and not have to rely on someone else to do it for you. And sometimes that can be hard to learn, especially if you don't have the right tools or catheters like myself. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the Eagle board made by MTG, or Medical Technologies of Georgia. So the Eagle board is made to help you catheterize, and it sits on top of your thighs like this, and it is also used with a MTG Easy Gripper catheter, which I do have a video on. This is by far the best catheter I have found for people with not very good hand dexterity like myself, and so for pretty much any quadriplegic that wants to catheterize on their own. I get my Easy Gripper catheters through 180 Medical, and you can check them out down in the description below. 180 Medical has been really good for me, and their service is really good because even whenever I was pretty much out of casts, they shipped extra catheters to me and I got them the next day, so be sure to check them out. This is the MTG Eagle board, and it's supposed to help you cath, like I said, and you can see these wings on the side, and this here is the top of it, and these wings do bend, so you can adjust it like that, or you can have them out and up, kind of like that. The back of the Eagle board has this hook right here, and that is to help keep your pants pulled down in order to cath, and you can see that there are screws right there, and you can adjust where this hook is. On the top of the board, you will see this little opening right here, and it's just connected magnetically to one side, and you just lift that up and it opens up like that, so you put your private part in there and then you can close it down, and it is magnetic, as you can hear. On the bottom side of the wings, there are foam pads, one right here and one right here, and there's also foam pads on the top and bottom of this opening right here. They do send extra pads with this Eagle board, so you can put more on if you need to, or if some of them are not staying on, you can replace it with another one. There are two thumb holes up here at the top, so you can put your thumb in there and move it around, carry it, put it in your bag or whatever. These wings do fold in like this to keep it small and compact, so you can put it in your backpack or wherever to take with you. Alright, so once you get the board adjusted where you need it, and get your private part in there, close this right here, and you can see this little gray piece is where this catheter goes. So at the top there, you will see this blue thing, which is the cap, and you'll need to take that off, and then right below it is where you place it right here into this little U-shaped thing right here on this gray piece in order to hold it in place. Now you can see where the catheter is being held in place, and this blue handle right here is what you are going to push against in order to insert it. You may have to adjust where this catheter is, whether you want it more forward or backwards. There is a slot there, and you can move this gray piece up or down that is holding the cath. Whenever you're ready to insert the catheter, you're just going to push down on this blue handle and move your arm toward you and then back, and just keep doing it in this motion right here until you start urinating. Once you are done, there is a hole right here on this catheter where you can put your finger in there and pull up in order to remove the catheter from the Eagle board, and then you can empty the catheter. If you are looking to self-catheterize and you think this Eagle board will help you out, be sure to check down in the description below where you can get this Eagle board, and there will be links down there and a phone number you can call in order to get in contact with MTG, Medical Technologies of Georgia, and give them a call and tell them that you are interested in trying out this Eagle board. If you are looking to be able to self-catheterize on your own. I hope this Eagle board will help you out, because I know it would have helped me out early on in my injury recovery stage, whenever I was in the hospital, because I couldn't catheterize myself on my own for probably about a year or so, until I found the MTG Easy Gripper catheter right here. And once again, I do have a video on this catheter, and I get my catheters from 180 Medical. Be sure to check them out. They got all kinds of catheters over there, and they are a good supplier for catheters.